Its core strength lies in its intelligent algorithms. These algorithms are designed to understand and adapt to your unique needs, making the tool more effective the more you use it. These algorithms learn from your behavior and preferences, allowing the tool to offer more personalized and relevant suggestions over time. This allows the AI to personalize its assistance, providing you with tailored solutions that fit your specific requirements. Whether it's recommending new features or optimizing your workflow, this AI tool is designed to grow with you. We all face common hurdles in our daily lives. From managing overflowing inboxes to scheduling meetings, these small tasks can pile up and eat into our precious time. This $5 AI tool acts as your personal assistant. It can sort through your emails, prioritize important messages, and even draft responses. It can seamlessly schedule appointments, reminding you of upcoming events. Section 4. Your new secret weapon. Imagine effortlessly creating high-quality presentations with just a few clicks. No more struggling with design or layout. This tool simplifies the entire process, allowing you to focus on the content and message. Picture yourself generating creative content without spending hours brainstorming. The AI assists in sparking new ideas and refining your thoughts, making the creative process smoother and more enjoyable. This AI tool makes it all possible. It integrates seamlessly into your workflow, enhancing your capabilities and efficiency. It empowers you with tools to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time and mental energy. Imagine the relief of having mundane tasks handled automatically, allowing you to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. Whether it's data entry, research, or content creation, this tool becomes your secret weapon for enhanced productivity. It adapts to your needs, providing support exactly where you need it most, making your work life more efficient and less stressful. Section 5. Ready, set, optimize. For just $5, this AI tool isn't just a steal. It's an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your time, your productivity, and your peace of mind. Join the thousands who have already transformed their workflows with this game-changing AI tool. Experience the future of productivity, one task at a time.